Morning, students. How you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Today we'll read chapter 13 of English. Fred is lost. So, students, this is a very interesting story. Before we start reading the story, I want to ask you some questions. Some questions are given which we have to answer. First question is: do you like to ride your bicycle fast? और डू यू लाइक टू रन ऑन अ स्टेयरकेस? तो आपको तेज बाइसिकल चलाना अच्छा लगता है या सीढ़ियों पे दौड़ना अच्छा लगता है? वॉट डू योर पेरेंट्स से व्हेन यू डू सो? आई एम श्योर दे माइट आस्क नॉट टू डू सो. मैं जानती हूँ कि आप लोग वो मना करते हैं. बिकॉज you may get hurt. If you do these things, you may get hurt and you may meet an accident. So we should never ride the bicycle first, or we should not run on the staircase. And student, we should always listen to our elders. If we do not listen to our elders, then we may get in trouble. So this is a story of a bird, baby bird, who didn't listen to his parents and he was in trouble. So this is a story about a bluebird, baby bluebird. So once this baby bluebird during winter season was flying to a far warm place. You know, student, birds in the very cold area, they want to save themselves from the cold weather. So what they do? They fly to the warm places during winter, and when the summer season comes, they come back to their home. So this bluebird, Fred and his family decided that they should fly to the warm place as winter season was there. So first Fred was very sad. He don't want to leave his home. But then he agreed, and as the Fred and his family started flying to a warm place, Fred's parents asked him that you should fly with them because he may get lost because he don't know the way. But Fred did not listen to the parents, and he stopped near the lake and he started playing in the water. And when he turned back, his parents were not there. They were missing. Now Fred started crying. Oh, what should I do? My parents are not here. And then he went to the cave. There was a cave. So he went there and he made a small nest over there and he slept over there. In the morning, though he was very sad, but he remembered one thing that his parents once told him, that whenever you get lost, you should go to the place where we were together at the last place. So he should go to the last place where we were together. तो जब भी आप गुम जाओ तो उस जगह पहुंच जाना जहां हम आखिरी बार मिले थे. So this Fred went to the lake and he met some seabirds over there. Then he told the seabirds about the story that he lost his parents and he asked them to help him. So seabird said, okay, we'll help you. So seabird started singing song loudly. Then the Fred parents came to know, oh, Fred is missing. And they came back to the lake. And in this way, the Fred and his parents meet again. And then Fred promised his parent that he will be obedient child and he will always listen to the parents. So student, now we should know the keywords. First word is sipped, S-I-P-P-E-D, sipped. Sipped means to drink something in small portion, P-U-R-T-I-O-N, portion. तो कोई चीज़ घूट घूट करके थोड़ा थोड़ा पीते उसको बोलते हैं sipped. Second word is hugged, H-U-G-G-E-D, hugged. Hugged means to embrace, E-M-B-R-A-C, embrace, or squeeze, S-Q-U-E-E-Z, squeeze someone tightly in one's arm. तो किसी को गले लगाते उसको बोलते हैं hugged. O-B-E-D-I-E-N-T, obedient, O-B-E-O-B-D-I-E-N-T, dient, obedient. Obedient means बड़ों की बात मानना. One who follows what has been told by someone in authority. तो जो हमसे बड़े हैं उनकी बात मानने को बोलते हैं obedient. Now we'll read the story. Fred, the little bluebird, was sad. He had been flying with his family to a warm place to spend the winter. So this Fred and his family were flying to a warm place to spend winter. But now he was lost. Mummy Bird had told him to fly with her. Daddy Bird had told him to fly with him. Fred was very happy to fly so far. He stopped on the way to see a lake. So Fred was very happy. He was enjoying the places as he was flying. So he stopped near the lake. He played in the water. He sipped the water. So he drank water and he started playing in the water. When Fred called out to Mummy Bird and Daddy Bird, they were not there. So now Fred came to know that his parents were missing. The little blue bird at the lake was scared. SCARED, scared. Scared means डरा हुआ. तो ये blue bird है ना, these, because their color was blue, so they are called blue bird. Now he was very scared because his parents were missing. To see his parents missing. Night fell and Fred was alone. Now night came and Fred was alone. तो रात हो गई और फ्रेड डरा हुआ है. What will I do here? मैं यहाँ क्या करूँगा? Where is my family? Cried Fred. So now Fred started crying. मेरी family कहाँ गई? He went into a cave. तो वो cave में चला गया. He made a small nest and fell asleep. Now in the cave he made a small nest and he went to sleep. वहाँ जाके cave में सो गया. Fred remembered. REMEMBERED, bird. Remembered. Remembered माने याद करना. His parents once said, Fred, if someday you get lost, go to the last place where we were together. तो उसको याद आया, रिमेंबर मीन्स याद आया कि उसके पेरेंट्स एक बार कहा था कि अगर आप कभी गुम जाओ तो उस जगह पहुंच जाना जहां हम आखिरी बार साथ में थे. सो फ्रेड लेफ्ट द केव एंड वेंट बैक टू द लेक. नाउ फ्रेड केम बैक टू द लेक. He told the little seabirds that he was lost. So on the lake there were seabirds. So he told them that he was lost. उसने बताया seabirds को कि वो गुम गया है. The birds sang loudly so that Mummy and Daddy Bird could hear the song. So seabirds started singing loudly so that Fred's parents could come to know that Fred is here. Mummy Bird and Daddy Bird heard the song and came to take Fred. So now Fred's friends came to know that Fred is missing. So they came back to the lake to take Fred. Fred hugged his parents. We can see that Fred is hugging his parents. वो parents से चिपक गया. All the seabirds around were happy and they clapped. So seabirds were happy because Fred met his family. So they started clapping and they were very happy. Now Fred promised. He promised to be obedient. So now Fred promised that he will be obedient and he will always listen to his parents and do whatever his parents told him to do. और उसने बोला कि आप जो भी बोलोगे मैं वो करूँगा. तो आपको now student, do you like the story? So